find a comfortable position. And if you feel safe to do so, you can gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth as you let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw and allow your hands to rest loosely. You might like to remind yourself, I am here. I am safe. I am present. And you can bring your awareness to the crown of your head and slowly scan down through your body. And notice any areas of tightness or tension. Your forehead, neck, shoulders, your chest, or even your stomach. And with each exhale, imagine sending gentle waves of release through those areas. And you don't need to fix anything. Just notice and soften. Now place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. And take a deep breath in as you feel your belly rise. And exhale slowly as you feel your chest and shoulders sink. And with every out-breath, you silently say to yourself, I let go. As you allow the tension of the day to flow out with each breath. Just repeating this cycle of breath in and out with the intention of letting go for the next few moments. And now it's time to take one last deep, nourishing breath. And as you exhale, imagine grounding yourself firmly in the present moment. Calm and refreshed. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and you can carry this grounded calmness with you. into whatever comes next in your day.